Hey guys, it's Fate Intervention here with another skincare video, so let's dig in. Tonight I'm using this cleansing oil by Henna. It's really good, it does not dry your skin out, and it's also suitable as an eye makeup cleaner, and it's really easy to use. I'm using some water as well to mix it together, massaging it into my skin. It feels so good to take care of your skin. It makes you feel more comfortable about your skin, makes you feel happy, makes you feel just pretty. Anyways, I'm taking my towel now to wipe off this cleansing oil mixed with water. My skin looks the best, it's so pretty. Am I right? So now that my skin is dry, I'm taking the Repare potion. This Repare potion is an intensively cleansing, light peeling potion. I really love this Repare potion because the skin not only noticeably evens out, but the structure and complexion also becomes visibly more even. I'm using this amazing cream by Lancome. It's Silicone Night Repair. It's for a normal skin type. It's really good. It works during your sleep and restores the activity of your genes that regenerate the skin. And this night cream from Lancome will make your skin appear smoother and fresher night after night. No kidding, it really works. Your skin looks younger and better rested every day, so I really recommend you using this cream. It's amazing. I'm using this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Gel. I really recommend you using this. It counteracts signs of aging around the eyes, visible anti-aging to combat dryness, dehydration, and fight lines and wrinkles. So girl, if you want to look fresh in the morning, I recommend you using that eye cream. Anyway, this is not a sponsored video, so don't get me wrong. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I always enjoy talking to you guys and showing you guys some new tips and tricks about makeup and skincare. So I hope you keep enjoying it and have a great day, and remember, treat yourself right, cause you are a star. Bye babies.